Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. We are going to show you a quick kebab burger recipe here. What we got here is chicken kebab, which how to make these is available on our channel. We have got a coleslaw Russian salad, which is also available on the channel. What we got here is some BAPs, which are readily available from all the grocery stores, and we're just showing you how to make this. Just take one of these BAPs and heat them up onto the pan, and lightly oil them and heat both sides, and place the coleslaw Russian salad onto both of them, and just place your kebab like that, and place the BAP onto there, and your burger is ready. One beautiful burger. Wow, what a tasty dish. There you go. Ladies and gentlemen, as you can see, beautiful burgers, chicken kebab burgers are ready. The hard work is really the kebabs and the coleslaw. The rest is easy. We've shown you the two recipes on our channel, the kebab recipe and also the separate coleslaw Russian salad recipe. The rest is easy. The beauty is in how good your kebabs are and how good your Russian salad is. And we've shown you step by step how to make these. As you can see, they're tasty, awesome, beautiful. I hope you like our recipe. If you like us to make anything, please let us know. Please share our recipe with others and our channel with others. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Thank you very much.